Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a crock pot like dump meal. I was doing cook with me dinners before on my channel, and then I kind of slacked up and I haven't done any in a while, and someone told me that I should do more of those, so I'm going to be showing you guys a series of my favorite crock pot meals that my kids enjoy eating. And today we're going to be doing the Frito, it's like a Frito taco type of thing, but this is a quick easy go-to meal for during the week when I don't have time and I just need to do something really fast. So it just calls for hamburger, tomato sauce, rotel, and then some chili beans. The recipe, however, did say like 2 cans of chili beans. Now I have like some dark red kidney beans and chili beans, but I think I'm only gonna use 1 can because I don't want to have like too much beans in there. And then of course the Fritos. So just keep on watching and see how all this comes together. So my camera cut off, but I sprayed the cooker with this non-cook cooking spray. That's just what the recipe says. I normally would use crock pot liner, so you won't have to like fool with cleaning your crock pot. You just take the liner out. But the next step is just to put your ground beef and your onion and your taco seasoning and all that into the crock pot. Pour in our chili beans, sauce, and then add in the rotel. Ooh. And you just cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on high. And here you could just add whatever toppings you want, and yeah, so you have it, and my kids really enjoyed this dish. Okay, for this dish it's going to be the Chinese pepper steak, and it just calls for green pepper, a red pepper, some round steak, and I got them in the thin slice. I'm gonna add some parsley in there, and then also garlic, and also it calls for a can of beef broth, and then you have your soy sauce and also some ginger. So yeah, and also we're going to top it off with rice. So I'm just going to get started here. I'm going to wash my vegetables up and get those chopped. Okay guys, so I have put all the ingredients in here, and I'm just going to set the crock pot on high for, it says 5 hours, but I'm going to do 5 hours and 30 minutes. And you also can put in, let me see if it's going to focus. Well, it's not going to focus, but I'll put that up on the screen. But you also can add cornstarch the last hour it's cooking if you want your sauce to be thicker. But I will show you all the results once it's finished. Okay guys, so 5 hours and 30 minutes have went past, and this is the finished product, and I have it placed over some rice, and the meat turned out really good and tender, and this is my kids' favorite dish of them all. But yeah, that is it for that dish. And now for the next dish that they like to enjoy, it's going to be some red beans and rice. And then we're going to do the smoked sausage, and I have celery, and then I'm going to cut a green pepper up, and then also use the beef broth to add in there, and we'll also just pair this with rice as well. Okay guys, my red beans and rice is done, and my husband fried some fish. So we just have the red beans and rice, fish, and some cornbread. And that's what we ate for that night for dinner, which was also very delicious. Okay guys, for this recipe it's going to be brown sugar chicken thighs. Now I did tweak the recipe a little bit. There's some things I did not add in there because I just didn't have it, but however it still turned out very good. Here I'm just going to be putting butter in the skillet, and then when that melts down I'll just let each brown each side for 2 minutes, and then I will be taking them out and placing them into the oven to finish cooking. Here I'm just trying to get all the garlic and seasoning coated all over the chicken before I place it into the oven so it can finish cooking. And we just paired the chicken with broccoli and rice, and that is it for 4 of the meals that we really like to eat in this house. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.